Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney. Today I've got something a little bit different. So as we've all been stuck in the current quarantine situation, I have noticed that it has helped my well-being and my mental state of mind to actually get dressed and put on a little bit of makeup, not a full face. I mean, I'm wearing a full face today, obviously, because I'm doing my formal filming, but for the most part, just a little bit of makeup, just enough to make me feel somewhat put together. That's making a big impact on my mood, especially as the weather slowly starts to warm up a little bit, and we can kind of get outdoors a little and kind of see other people from afar. But I thought it would be fun for me to do a week's worth of videos, what I'm wearing, or a week's worth of outfits and what I've been wearing every day while we've been here in quarantine for the past week. So I'm starting with last Sunday, Easter Sunday, and then going all the way through the following Saturday, and just kind of showing you what I'm choosing to wear while here at home. And yeah, and it's also kind of forced me to be kind of creative with my outfits. And I've really enjoyed that as well, especially playing around with some of the new things that I've recently made. So I'm definitely going to play the montage now. I'm talking in all of them each day, and I will list what I'm wearing both in the footage and also down below in the description box. So if you're interested in any of the patterns, you can go down to this description box and I'll have all of those linked for you down below. Okay, that's enough for this one. I hope you all enjoy my week's worth of outfits. And then on Friday, I have a kind of a fun video. I was a pattern tester for a re-release of a pattern, and I'm gonna be showing you all the versions that I have made. It's one of my favorites. And yeah. And then there'll be, I think it's gonna be on sale. The pattern's gonna be, I know it is, it's gonna be on sale. So you'll wanna go grab that starting on Friday, and yeah, be showing you what I have made with that pattern. Next week, I'm going to be doing a sew-along. Sunday starts a sew-along for this Berwick dress. I can never remember the number right here. We'll be doing this wrap dress. And then next Tuesday, I think I'm going to do a video on my favorite places to buy fabric online, and you know, how I pick quality fabric, which basically is just where I buy it. And then also my favorite independent pattern designers. I've had a lot of questions about both of those, so I'll be doing a video on that on Tuesday. All right, I hope you guys are having a great week. I'll see you in the daily vlogs if you're watching that. Otherwise, I will see you on Friday for my next formal video. Have a good one. Okay, so today is Sunday, April 12th. Yes, it is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, everyone. So I've decided to put on real, like, nice clothes. Now, in all honesty, these are kind of secret pajamas, still Easter style. I have, and in all, you know, sense of honesty, these shoes will only be on while I'm filming this. I probably will have slippers on or no shoes at all the remainder of the day. Maybe if we go for a walk, I'll put on, I don't know, tennis shoes or something, which is a good look. But this is my Love Notion Sybil skirt. This is the flared version, I think. It's got pockets. It's made in a scuba from Minerva. I actually did a sew the look with this skirt. And then I have it paired with my newest, okay, which one is this? This is the Idyllwild with the wider neckband, 3/4 length sleeves that I've made in the avocado merino wool from the fabric store. And then I've just got it paired with an old pair of platformed heels from Madewell. Yeah, ready to celebrate Easter. I'm gonna go make some deviled eggs and finish up the ham and mashed potatoes and green beans. We're gonna have some green in there as well. Okay, happy Easter, everyone. Okay, good morning. Happy Monday. It is Monday, April 13th. Okay, it is, the high today is only 45. It is really windy and really gray. I think there's rain there in the forecast as well. I'm cold. So today I'm wearing my new Elli Henley that I made during t-shirt week as a base layer basically. And then I've got my Dionne duster by So Altered Style on over it with my, what are these called? They're my Itch to Stitch Liana stretch jeans that I narrowed the leg on. I've been wearing these a ton since then. And I was going to put on for real shoes, but then I thought, who are we kidding? I'm not leaving the house. I'm probably not even going to take a walk today. It'll be all on the treadmill. So house slippers it is. These are the, can never remember. LL Bean. These are the LL Bean moccasins. I love these things. 2 years. I can get 2 years out of a pair, and the minute they go, I ask for another pair for Christmas. They're amazing. I wear them all the time around my house. So, just a little note, if you're looking for a good slipper, they're not the sexiest looking thing, but man, are they comfortable and cozy. They're the shearling lined. Okay, so that's all I've got for today. I've actually put on makeup. My hair has not, it was washed and fixed yesterday, so this is second day hair. I actually put in some dry shampoo, and I've got just a little bit of makeup on. So, here we go. Ready to start our first school week back since spring break. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Okay, so I am bringing some spring back in with my white ginger jeans. I've actually got shoes on today because I have to actually go to the post office, so I decided to actually make a little bit more. Well, I'm making an effort all week this week. But this is my Sloane sweatshirt, my new Sloane sweatshirt, which is perfect because it's only 35 degrees outside. But I'm having fun matching my warmer clothes with like some cooler accessories. So these are hot pink earrings that I got for Christmas from my sister-in-law. So I think that's kind of fun with the rest, just kind of unexpected. Yeah, have my Adidas standard tennis shoes on. We have to go for a walk later. So yeah, here's today's outfit. I'm even wearing a little bit of makeup again. See you tomorrow. Okay, so today we are pulling a little bit from my Great Module Sew Along. I'm wearing my ready-to-wear Lands' End cashmere sweater with my Itch to Stitch Liana stretch jeans in the corduroy, and I have the boot cut. Normally I would wear these with a boot with a heel, but I am not leaving my house today. So I've got them with slippers. So there's definitely a lot of fabric pooling at the bottom, but again, I would always wear these with a boot with a heel if I were leaving my house, which I'm not today. But it is currently 33 degrees outside, and it is, well, it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, but we have a chance for snow later today. I'm over it. So I am dressing warm, and yeah, I'll probably be in slippers most of the day. I'll probably do my workout on our treadmill, so, and I'll change into workout clothes for that. So this is the outfit for the day. I am also wearing it with my leopard belt. And I even put on jewelry. I put on a bold lip. See if my camera wants to. I've got on my red lip. Accessorized with jewels. Makes me sound so bougie. Accessorized with some jewelry, and yeah, there's my outfit for the day. Okay, and today is Wednesday. Forgot to say that. We are halfway through our homeschool week. Okay, wish me luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, April 16th, I think, 15th. What is today? I think today's the 16th. Okay, so I've got a lot of filming that I'm doing today, so I needed to be dressed up just a little bit and to make myself feel a little better. So I have on my Berwick Street tunic from the sewing workshop. I wear it as a dress, obviously. I love this. It's in a rayon. With my opaque tights. Now, typically I'd wear these with my Tuesday morning, nope, not Tuesday morning, Thursday boot company, Thursday boot company, my feminine combat boots, if you will. It's actually not their combat boot, it's just their lace-up boot, because they're about the same color as these tights, and I really like that look. It kind of gives a nod to the 90s when I was a teenager, and yeah, I think that's a lot of fun. But yeah, it's nice and comfortable. I already have creases in it from sitting on the couch upstairs doing schoolwork, but it's rayon. What are you gonna do? I'll have to steam that out again later. So yeah, I am comfortable and warm. It is only 35 degrees outside, so being warm and cozy is important right now. So yeah, here it goes to Thursday. I have a full makeup on, fully accessorized, so I'm feeling good. So let's get some filming done. Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. It is April 17th, I think. Okay, so we don't have school today. We have, our school district has gone to a 4-day school week during these weird e-learning times. So no school today, which meant, I mean, I slept until like 7:30, which was lovely. But it's also really chilly. It is, yeah, it's like 40 degrees outside, but it's supposed to rain all day. So it's a pretty nasty day outside. I actually, yeah. So I'm going for comfort today, basically, is what I'm going for. So I've got my thrifted Sloane shirt on. So this was the Sloane pattern from Love Notions that I used a thrifted sweatshirt that I had bought, and then reused the cuffs, and I left the neckline the same from the thrifted. Anyway, I made this during, since we've been in quarantine, and I've got it with my Mountain View pull-on jeans by Itch to Stitch, and I made mine skinny. Obviously they're a little cropped because I've got my Bomba socks on for a fun pop of color, and then slippers because, especially with it raining, I'm not leaving the house. Even a workout will get done in the basement. So there we go, and no makeup today. I have taken a bath, I have put dry shampoo in my hair, but I've decided to let my face go bare just to, it likes it. My skin likes that occasionally. So yeah, here's to Friday. Okay guys, it is Saturday. Happy Saturday. It is, I don't even know, 18th maybe? April 18th? 7th? I don't even know what it is. But I just wanted to say, yeah, this is the it for the week. I have gone to the grocery store this morning, and so actually I didn't wear this to the grocery store. I went to the grocery store in scrubby clothes and then proceeded to strip down to wash all of those, and then I hopped into the shower. But yeah, we're just going to be doing stuff around the house today. So I've paired my very first Vanessa Pouzet Wanted Tee with my new Itch to Stitch Eddystone jeans. These are my higher waisted girlfriend fit jean that I tested, and they've been washed a couple of times. They're washing really great. I made mine in a non-stretch denim. Obviously I've got them with my slippers right now because maybe I'll go for a walk later, but for now the slippers are where it's at. So I hope you enjoyed my week-long outfits of how I am dressing myself during this really weird quarantine time. And yeah, that's it for this week. I will see you guys on Friday for another formal video, or see you in the daily vlogs. Have a good one. Bye.